Dear students and friends, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching NPTEL Chemistry E-class and I am Chemistry Detective to solve your Chemistry class 11th NCERT problem 1.28. So our problem is, which one of the following will have largest number of atoms? 1 gram gold, 1 gram sodium, 1 gram lithium, 1 gram chlorine. All these are elements, but gold, sodium and lithium are atomic, and chlorine, last one, is molecular. Given mass is same for gold, sodium, lithium, chlorine, that is 1 gram each. Now solution of this problem actually requires the idea of mole, molar mass and Avogadro number, and we need an equation that relates number of atoms with moles, molar mass and Avogadro number, or I will say we need an equation that relates given mass, molar mass and Avogadro number in order to calculate the number of atoms. And the exact equation, if I may write on board, is N is equal to N into Na. Capital N is number of atoms capital N here is number of atoms. Small n is number of moles, and you know number of moles, you might be knowing that number of moles is calculated by this formula: given mass by molar mass. Given mass is represented by W and molar mass is represented by M. Capital W here represents given mass of substance and capital M represents molar mass of substance. And Na here is Avogadro number. Na is Avogadro number. Is a constant number and its value is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 is a constant number. I can express, because given is not number of moles, given is mass. So I need to express number of moles in terms of given mass, or I will say that measured property is not moles, measured property is mass. So I will express moles in terms of mass here. Therefore equation I will get is capital N is equal to given mass I will represent by W, molar mass I will represent by capital M, and Avogadro number I will represent by Na. This is the exact form of above equation which I need to use here. Now see, in this equation Avogadro number is, I already told Avogadro number is constant, so it is common for gold, sodium, lithium and chlorine. Given mass is also same, common for gold, sodium, lithium, chlorine. As a result, I can say that Avogadro number and given mass are constant for gold, sodium, lithium, chlorine, and number of atoms will only depend on molar mass and dependence will be inverse. Why? Because Na is constant for all and W given mass is also constant for all, equal to 1, given in question equal to 1. As a result, number of atoms will depend only on molar mass and dependence is inverse. Molar mass is mass of 1 mole and all these are elements, their molar mass will be either equal to their gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass, depending on whether element is atomic, which is the case in case of gold, sodium and lithium, or whether element is molecular, which is the case of chlorine. Now, molar mass I need to have knowledge of values of molar masses of gold, sodium, lithium and chlorine, and on basis of value of their molar mass I can predict largest number of atoms. Molar mass of gold is 197, molar mass of sodium is 23, molar mass of lithium is 7, molar mass of chlorine is 35.5. I am taking, though it is molecular, but I am taking its gram atomic mass 35.5. For gold, molar mass is 197. For gold molar mass is 197. For sodium molar mass is 23. For lithium molar mass is 7, and for chlorine molar mass is 35.5. Actually, here I can calculate first number of molecules and then I have to multiply number of molecules by atomicity, which is 2. So its molar mass is actually 71, and 2 divided by 71 will come equal to 35.5. So I am taking its molar mass equal to its gram atomic mass 35.5. Now see here, look here, least molar mass is of lithium. Least molar mass is of lithium and dependence of number of atoms on molar mass is inverse. One with least molar mass will contain largest number of atoms. Molar mass is least for lithium. So number of atoms, N stands for number of atoms, will be largest in 1 gram of lithium for lithium. Answer to this numerical problem is 1 gram of lithium will contain largest number of atoms. I ruled out 1 gram gold, 1 gram sodium, 1 gram chlorine, because I have to find one having largest number of atoms, and that is lithium because of its least molar mass. And if I am asked to